Welcome, this is Anjali Desai reporting from the CSR Journal Excellence Awards 2021. We have with us Ms. Raj Mariwala from the Mariwala Health Initiative. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
During the pandemic, mental health was one area which was highlighted as very crucial, which is often ignored in the Indian society. So what would you say would be the right way to mainstream seeking help for mental health issues?
So I'll talk about one really specific issue because the theme of this was youth empowerment today, and we are one of the youngest nations in the world. But the number one cause of death for young Indians is suicide, and that's very serious. One student, 1 hour, dies by death by suicide every hour in India. And so, if we are to raise awareness, if we are to actually provide care and support for mental health, especially for the youth of this country, we need a couple of things. One is a national suicide policy, and the other one really is long range of measures which allow people to speak up freely, to access health care, and to end discrimination against those who live with mental health issues.
Coming to the theme of the program, CSR. So what does the word sustainability mean to you?
I think sustainability actually means, I think the value of CSR is from the fact that it comes from a place of responsibility. There is a reason you are in society, and yes, you are providing economic value, but you must also sustain that by being responsible in what you do and giving back, because it is justice and redistribution of the value, economic value that you are creating. And it should be done holistically, intersectionally and intersectorally if it is to be sustainable.
And what would you say is the importance of recognizing the various CSR initiatives by the Indian corporates? Why is it important?
I think acknowledgement is always important. Reinforcement, positive reinforcement is also important. And the other very simple reason is if someone is doing a good thing, you don't need to replicate that on your own. Just put more strength behind it. Like so many of our civil society that is vibrant, a lot of NGOs that do wonderful work. Don't start your own foundation, support that type of work.
That's very well said, ma'am. Last question to you. How was your experience with the CSR Journal Excellence Awards 2021?
So I think my favorite part of it was actually interacting with the CSR team staff before the event and after the event. They have been absolutely fabulous and wonderful. But other than that, I really loved listening to the innovative messages around waste and how to reorganize our approach to waste by the Minister of Road and Transport, Mr. Gadkari.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today.